Hi guys and welcome back. Let's do the recap number 4, so of lesson 4 together. Now the focus of this recap video is very much pronunciations. We're going to do a lot of pronunciation together and a very quick grammar review. So let's look first of all at the question words that have been introduced in today's lesson. Once again, I recommend that you transcribe these words phonetically so as to pronounce them perfectly. So let's start off with who. We actually can't hear the W here. Who, it's like an H, a H sound. Who. Just like how. Then we have why, where we don't actually hear the H, we just hear the W. Why, just like in where and when. So try and practice those words. Let's repeat them together. Who, why, how, where, when. Other pronunciation tip for today. We mentioned before in recap 1 and 2, notably, that stress patterns are very important. So we're going to try and focus, emphasize, maybe stress even, the first sound of the word. For example, photo, photograph. But that rule changes when the word becomes longer. So listen to the difference here. Photo, photograph, photographer. Do you see the difference? I'm actually stressing the sounds, not the first sound. Listen, photographer. The second and third sound are more important. Those are the ones that we are highlighting here. So repeat after me. Photo, photograph, photographer. So that is also true with other long words in today's lesson, like fireman, hairdresser, hairdresser. This is a compound noun. There are two words together, hairdresser. So we're going to stress the beginning of each. Hairdresser, hairdresser. And in this lesson, I've noticed my students make this mistake a lot. There is a particular sound which is j, like DJ, j. Can you hear it? J. That sound you've seen already in 3 words so far. You've seen it with job, job, not yob. Some of my students mispronounce this word, so really make an effort with this beautiful sound, j, job. You've seen it also in the word judge, judge, and engineer. So repeat the 3 with me. Job, judge, engineer. So that's all the pronunciation for today. A quick grammar review. We saw that the plural of nouns can sometimes be a straightforward rule. We add the S. Assistant, assistants. Sometimes we have to add ES, like a watch, watches. And sometimes the word changes, like man becomes men in the plural form. Like in this particular dialogue, you have fireman, that becomes firemen. That's it for today. I'll see you soon.